I'm meteorologist Topper Shutt. We are tracking Ida, and the time frame for the immediate metro area is going to be Wednesday night. Now, here's the deal. Everyone is covered by a flash flood watch, and that goes into effect 11 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday through early Thursday morning. 2 to 4 inches of rain with isolated 6-inch amounts. Now, that would be devastating, especially if those big rainfall amounts occurred along I-81 and west in the mountains. So remember, never drive or try to cross a flooded road by car or by foot. 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock you off your feet. 12 inches will take care of an average car. And yes, even 18 to 24 inches can take care of a big SUV. So you're not safe no matter what you're driving. All right, so we're going to track Ida. Ida goes into the Tennessee Valley, and then it goes just north of D.C. about 2 a.m. in the morning on Thursday, so overnight Wednesday. And that track is important. Why? Because to the right of that track is where the severe weather occurs. So if this track, say, we're down toward Richmond, we'd have to only worry about heavy rain. But because it's very close to us or just to our north, we have to worry about heavy rain and isolated tornadoes. Here's Futurecast. Noon on Wednesday, look at this. It's still quiet in the metro. So the morning commute on Wednesday is fine. Lunchtime, you still get your errands done. Heaviest axis of rain is well to the west of us, in fact, west of the divide. But then by 6 p.m., now we get some heavy rain and showers into Loudoun County and Montgomery County and also into Frederick County. And then this pushes through east of town by around midnight Thursday, so late Wednesday night. And then it does hang on to some showers here, 6 a.m. on Thursday. I think it's too slow. I think by the time we get to 6 o'clock, that activity will be just crossing the bay, and we'll actually end up with a good Thursday. That's what I'm thinking right now. So let's talk about rainfall amounts, all right? Here's 1 mile. GFS doesn't have a lot of rain. 1.5 inches for D.C., only 2 inches for Hagerstown, and out toward Martinsburg, only 182. Remember that value, 1.82 in Martinsburg. Let's compare that with the NAM, and I'm kind of favoring this model a little bit. Martinsburg, remember that number 182? 615. Has 6 inches of rain in Martinsburg, has over 2 inches in D.C. So this would mean flash flooding is possible anywhere, which I think it is. This would mean there'd be some devastating flash flooding along I-81, and then 2 days later, there'd be massive river flooding in the Potomac as all the water drained into the Potomac Basin. So I'm going to kind of sum it up like this. Flooding is likely Culpeper, Leesburg, west, especially along I-81, 3 to 6 inches of rain. In the metro, 1 to 3 inches of rain with possible tornadoes, but you're fine Wednesday morning through noon. And then southern Maryland across the Delmarva, some strong storms. Yes, also with isolated tornadoes. So Ida will track just north of D.C. Wednesday night. Heaviest rain west, isolated tornadoes in DMV. Everybody runs that risk. Heaviest rain along and west of I-81, but flooding is possible over the entire DMV. Everybody's under a flash flood watch. Critical time, 6 p.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday. So again, Ida's heading our way. This is now time to do some preps. Check your gutters, check your sump pumps, and make sure your downspouts are clear.